Okay, so we cover one problem, two problems. So now this is our third problem from SSC Geometry. So these questions are very important for most of the competitive exams. These are the concepts basically. So if we understand instead of rather than focusing of the solution, then it will help us. Okay, so let us focus on the question. So what the question is saying, the adjoining figure O is the center of the circle. So this O is the center of the circle. From the point R, segment RM and S segment RN are the tangent. So there are two tangent. So we know the what is the tangent. Any line drawn on a circle will be a tangent. Okay. So there are two tangent. One is the MR, another is the NR. Or you say RM and RN. Okay. At the point M and N they are touching. And it is given that OR length of OR is 10 centimeter. Okay. So we have length of OR is 10 centimeter and the radius of circle is 5 centimeters. So what is meaning of it? So if the length of this OR is 10 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter, which means any line drawn on a tangent will be 5 centimeter. Okay, and we know that any line drawn on a tangent from the center, it will be a 90-degree. It will be as a perpendicular and it will be the 90-degree. Okay, then so these few things we come to know the length of OR and the length of OM and ON also, because this is the radius. They have given the radius as a 5 centimeter and OM and ON, these are the radius basically, and the length of this OM and ON also. So it will be 5 centimeter. So we got this as a 5. Okay, we got this as a 5. Okay, now we have to find this and we have to find this. Okay, let's focus on the question. What are the things it asking? What is the length of the each segment? Okay, so basically segment RM and RN we want to know. So these things, whatever here it's saying, we have already covered. We have explained all these things. Now because from the Pythagoras theorem, it is a right angle triangle. So both are right angle triangle, and from the Pythagoras theorem, we know the length of this. We know the length of this. So we can calculate the length of this. So length of this will be square of this plus square of this. Okay, so basically OR of OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square. We know the value of OR, we know the value of OM. So what is the AMR square? MR equal to OR square minus OM under root. So basically, because we have to calculate M, MR, we have to calculate, and these two we have already. So based on this will be the our output 5 root 3. Okay, MR is equal to 5 root 3. So if we got the value of this, then length of this will be equal. Okay, why it will be equal? That both line are drawn from the same point on a circle as a tangent. So we have to just remember that any tangent drawn on a circle from the same point always will be of the same length. Okay, so it will both of them are, so if you got the length of this, which means length of Rn will be also same. So Mr is equal to Nr is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Correct. The next question is, what is the measure of MRO? So MRO, this angle. Basically, we are talking about this angle. Obviously, the measure of this MRN, sorry, MRN. So basically, this angle and this angle, complete angle. So let's see. We know that this is already 90-degree as it was a perpendicular. So we'll calculate it. How we'll calculate? See, we can do one thing. We can use the tan theta. Okay, so tan theta, if you have little idea about the height and distance, then tan theta is equal to, simply we can calculate from tan theta. So here you can say tan theta. 10 MRO is equal to OM by MR. 10 10 MRO. 10 MRO is equal to OM by MR. OM by MR means this height, the perpendicular height, and this one. So these two will be the division of these two will be the angle this. So tan theta is equal to 10 MRO is equal to OM by MR. 10 MRO is equal to, we have already MR value of MR is 5, which is given. OM value of OM we know it was the radius, so 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter, and value of MR we recently calculated 5 root 3. So OM by MR 5 cancel, and now it is 1 by root 3. So we know the value of uh, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So tan MRO is equal to tan 30 degree, which means MRO is equal to 30 degree. Correct. Thus the measure of MRO is 30 degree. See, these are the actually tricks. It is sometime anywhere you can apply this formula. That suppose you have to calculate some angle and you know the length of two sides. Then simply you can divide those two sides and you can get the value of your you can get the value of length. Correct. Whatever angle you can get it.